So once you have your site, one of the things that you might want to know about is the customer management section, where the customer will send in feedback forms and everything, and all of those informations are collected. So I'm going to go on to my site right over here, and once I go on into the site, you can see that I got two sites. So to access the customer information and the submissions for that particular site, you go and select that site right over here by clicking on select and edit site. So once you go over here, of course, you get the main window when you're where you're able to go to site action, duplicate the site and everything. You can move it to trash and do everything else. But on the left side, you can see that there's action by Wix, as you can see right over here, where it says customer management. So I'm just going to go around into the customer management section, and this is where all of the form submissions, as you can see. So this is something we saw in previous lessons as well, and that there's contact list right over here, form submission. So all of the things can be managed out right over here, as you can see, just like that. You can also create a new form and then use that out. So especially in the inbox, you can see that all of the submissions are here, so we know who submitted what, and then we can reply to respective customers just like that. And also you chat from with your customers right from over here as well. So that is how you can access the customer management section and then work with it inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.